Probably my least favorite thing about New York is not having laundry in my building and needing to walk down the street with a bag of dirty clothes. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not great. This is by far the coldest day we've had in New York so far this winter. It's sunny, it's nice and sunny, but it's freezing. I cannot feel my face, and going 24 miles an hour with the freezing wind against your skin, not the best feeling on earth, but we are in Central Park. It is a gorgeous day. It is absolutely amazing. I went all the way over to the Upper East Side today to go to Target to try and find some household stuff that I needed, and they had absolutely none of it. This is just a huge waste of a trip. As I'm sure you guys know, I have way too many pairs of shoes. Like, just way too many pairs of shoes. But unfortunately, I own 0 pairs of like nice sort of dress, not dress shoes, but like nice shoes. Not that my shoes aren't nice, but you know what I mean. Like I own 0 pairs of nice shoes. Today we need to solve that within the next 6 hours and 15 minutes. I'm thinking like Chelsea boots or Clarks or something like that. I don't know, it's not really my style, but I need a pair. I also have absolutely no idea where to start looking. They all look the same. There's like 7 Chelsea boots that are all like a ale or brown or tan. They all look exactly the same. Yes, I realize all my Jordan 1s also look exactly the same, but these look even more exactly the same. Okay, that was a lot less painful, and to be honest, a lot less expensive than I thought. I was able to grab a pair on sale for like $100, which is not terrible. I definitely hate shopping though. I've learned that. I don't know, it's like different from shopping for Jordans and stuff. It's just less fun and more tedious and standing in line, and not a huge fan, but got the shoes. So these are the shoes that I got. I mean, they're like nothing crazy, they're nothing special, they're just from Aldo, so it's not like some super expensive pair of shoes, but as far as I can tell, it's a pretty freaking nice pair of Chelsea boots. It has like the rubber crepe bottom right there, which is cool. I mean, I didn't really want a hard bottom shoe, and this is not a hard bottom shoe, so that's good. The suede is a cool color, reasonably cheap. As I said, I don't know how to review these. I bought Chelsea boots. That's the point of what I'm trying to say. Okay, now that we've covered that, there was an actual pair of sneakers that released today that I'm a little bit more excited about than I am about the Chelsea boots. I mean, not that those are bad, they're nice, but just these are better. Okay, something really weird is happening again. I've been to 3 stores. All 3 of them have them completely sold out. Meanwhile, I go online and like every single size is available online. I don't know what's happening. We're going to track these down. I mean, hopefully we're gonna track them. We honestly might not track them down knowing my luck. But something really weird is happening. What in the world is happening? They have them here, but it is the last pair that they have, a size 12 sitting on the shelf. What? Like the guy took the size 12 off the shelf and is getting me my pair. How did these sell out? This just continues to amaze me. They didn't even have a size 12. In fact, I had to get a size 12 and a half. These things just released today and are super easy to get online. Meanwhile, they sold out at all 4 of the stores that I went to, and I was somehow lucky enough to get the very last pair at the Champs that I thought I could walk in like next week and grab these if I wanted to. I just didn't think there was that much buzz around them, but I absolutely love these. They are, of course, the Jordan 4 Black Hats. Now, these came out a while ago. I don't know the exact year. I'm not gonna pretend like I'm an expert Jordan historian or something like that. If I had to guess, let's say they came out originally in 2004. I might be very wrong, but I think it's somewhere in the ballpark of 2004. And then I saw them, I loved them, I wanted them. There was rumors of them maybe releasing around 2015, 2016. They never ended up releasing. We thought we were getting them earlier last year with the pony hair Jordan 4s. We didn't get them with the pony hair Jordan 4s, and now we finally got them. They just released today, and these things are absolutely splendid. I mean, like, you can't get more plain and simple than this. It's just a blacked out Jordan 4. Serious question though, do we want to call these the felony 4s, the night in jail 4s, or the I might stab you 4s? Please debate in the comment section below. I think these are really, really cool though. I mean, regular retail price, I believe, yeah, $190. They did a cool, unique box. It's all black. It has like some paint splatter on it. I don't really know what's up with that, except the box looks very cool. And then the shoe is literally just black. It's black suede everywhere except for like a charcoal gray Jumpman here and a white Jumpman here. Jumpman on the back is black. The suede is black. The mesh is black. The laces are black. The little lace locks are black. Pretty much just everything is black. It's not that complicated of a shoe, except it is such an amazing shoe. I need to suede protect these before I put them on my feet because these are going to get messed up so quick if I don't. So if you purchase these, make sure to do that as well. Now, I'm super curious. I am, of course, in the middle of Manhattan, so it's a little bit of a biased shopping location. If you live in like Iowa or Boston or California or anywhere that's not the middle of Manhattan, please let me know, did these sell out where you're at? Because I wasn't expecting these to sell out. I feel like if I went into Queens and like went to Queens Center Mall or something like that, they'd probably still be sitting there. I'm guessing people just grab them up because just the population density and the amount of pairs that they have here doesn't meet the demand in Midtown Manhattan, would be my guess. But the fact that they sold out at 4 stores before, I mean, it's not even noon yet. 11:56, and they sold out at 4 different stores, 3 Foot Lockers, or 2 Foot Lockers, 1 Foot Action, and 1 Champ Sports, and probably the Foot Locker across the street from the Champ Sports that I bought it at is probably sold out as well, which I find absolutely incredible. I wouldn't expect these things to sell out at all. Let's let this sink in. I got the last pair at the store, size 12 and a half. I ideally need a size 12. So to be 100% honest, Champ Sports, I'm sorry, I might just buy these online and return them because I know for sure there's size 12s available online and I'd much rather have a size 12. But I just really wanted to get a pair today so I could show you guys. And the 12 and a half isn't terrible. Oh, and before we get out of here, just a quick reminder that the mystery boxes are still for sale. If you guys want to find out about the mystery boxes, click the button right here. There's a pair of Jordan 1 Chicago Off-Whites in one of them. All of them have amazing merch and Rejuvenator items, and we have 28 pairs of shoes in them this month, which is amazing. So click the link in the description if you want to buy one of those. They are almost sold out, and if you already bought them, we are shipping them out as we speak in the order of when they were purchased, and they'll all be shipped out by Monday. Guys, thank you so much for the support. I love you, and until next time, peace.